what is going on, you guys. So here's the motor now. It's all done and put together, just about ready to put in the vehicle. We got the pretty much new everything, new head, a new everything, I guess. We got the new oil, water pump, oil pump. Got it all. Got it from the machine shop. Mechanic put it all together. By next week we should be putting it in the truck. About ready to get started. So if you've been following me, I've been restoring this my whole Mazda truck. I started with this. The engine bay is all painted now. I chose the color. I'll show you guys in the next video. I chose the color. It's a nice color. But this is just about ready to go in now. Look at that. New head, nice and cleaned up. It's looking good. 2.0 engine. It's looking good. I chose red just because I thought that it'd pop out a little bit more, and it complements the color of the truck, complements it. Yeah. So there it is, guys. That's the motor. It's been about a month or so, maybe 2 months, and there we go.